Morning. Gonna do some different stuff on YouTube, I think. Not gonna do so much edited video. I want to do a lot more raw form. So let me know what you think in the comments. Just making some oak boxes. See these little oak boxes. This isn't oak. This is some sort of horrible swamp wood. Not what it is. Mango something. Anyway, they're for a pub. They're the boxes. Ooh, there's a hole in it. Yeah, because I haven't put the bottoms on yet. So, these are the bottoms. Cut them. Just run these through table saw just to get a flat edge on, and then these are going to go on there. Like that. Just simple 18 gauge brad gun. I'm just going to glue and nail these down onto here, and then just give them a good clean up with sander. Then I've got to cover them with some Dutch oil. So as I was saying, yes, did you watch football last night, by the way? What did you think of the football? I don't follow football. I can't stand football. Not any go at anybody who does like football. I cannot stand football. And I watched it just to why I do that, by the way. I'm not a glue sniffer. I do it to see if the nozzle's clear. I just go like that and I can feel a bit of draft up my nose. I know the nozzle's clear. That's why I do that. I'm not a glue sniffer, honest. It's water based anyway, you can't sniff it. Yeah, so don't like football. I watched it, and they won. Well done to them. Not a football fan. Much sooner be Woodwork. Yes, but as I was saying, I'm going to do a bit of different content on the YouTube channel, especially. Probably will spill over onto TikTok, Instagram, Facebook as well. But on the YouTube channel, I want to do a lot more raw footage, take you lot along with me for the ride, and hopefully you'll like it better. I noticed that a lot more raw, normal footage is doing better on YouTube at the moment rather than the edited stuff. So that's what I want to do, showing you me making things like this and bits and bobs, giving you tips and tricks over the way. Probably doing a few lives as well, Q&As and things, so you can ask me some questions about woodworking or having a woodwork business, which is what I've got here. I don't just do this just for filming, it is a woodworking business as well, and that's what I do. So hopefully, I'm hoping you're going to like this sort of footage. As I say, this video, I'm not going to edit it at all. I'm just going to upload it to YouTube. So the video you're watching now is straight off my camera, straight onto YouTube. I don't want to start editing stuff too much because it's not normal, it's not natural, it's not real, it's pretend. I've worked for television companies. I've done sort of 60-minute makeover and Love Your Garden and things like that for television, and it's not real. It's all make-believe, and I don't like that. I want things to be real and raw. So hopefully, let me know in comments if that's the sort of thing you like, if that's the sort of content you like. I hope it is, because I think I've sussed it. I think that is the sort of content people want to watch. They don't want to watch stuff that's edited and it's like advertising stuff. I've got brands that support the channel and I'm really grateful to them, but I don't want that to be the main income of the channel, just promoting brands. I don't want to do that. I want to basically put my woodworking stuff on here and hopefully teach you a lot things along the way, and we'll have a good chinwag and we'll have a good time and a bit of fun. So let me know in comments, let me know about football, what you think of football. Let me know if this is the sort of content you want to see. I think it is. I think that's where I'm going wrong. I'm spending too much time over analysing videos and over editing them, and then that loses that realness to the videos. So we're going to be doing a lot more raw stuff, and hopefully you lot will like it more. The subscribers will go through the roof, and I'll end up with a silver YouTube play button. So let me know in comments, and I'll speak to you all soon.